Hello, all of you. Here is another doubt clearing video for direct taxation final. One of the most important area, though the name of this topic is like miscellaneous provisions, but it is like super duper important exam point of view, practically also 269 SS, 269 T, 269 ST, and 269 SU. These are the four sections which are very important for MCQs. Related to this sections is your penalties topic 271D and E and all. That is also very important. And combine of these your provisions of this 269 ki loan you should not take in cash and all, and otherwise you will penalty lagega. Based on this, case law based questions are asked. So let us make sure that this 3-in-1 topic is completely clear. These videos are to clear the concepts of whatever doubts you are putting in WhatsApp and Telegram group. If you have more such doubts, just let me know, because it is, I feel, my duty to clear whatever doubts you all are having before exam. But after the video, if your doubt is clear, then do comment below the video, do share it with your friends, and do let me know your feedback. Okay, that will motivate me also to make more such videos. I hope you have also watched just the video uploaded before this, that is clearing everything about anonymous donations. I've never seen any exam without at least a MCQ on anonymous donations, or 8 marks trust question will go wrong if that anonymous donations part is not correct, right? So do check that video in the direct taxation final playlist. Okay, so I'm sharing with all of you this gist. One second. I'll share with all of you a table, and if you want to note down that table, just pause the video, note it down. So this is all covering the gist. Now 269 SS, this section says that you should not accept loan 20,000 or above in cash, or you should not accept advance or deposit also in case of immovable property. Okay, if you have sold immovable property, then deposit and advance or anything above 20,000, it's 20,000 and above, that is why equal to and greater than in cash. If you take loan from anyone, or if you accept deposit from anyone above 20,000 in a single transaction or in anything in cash, okay, then it is like this transaction will completely become your income, and penalty will be charged under 271D, that will be equal to 100% of amount of loan. So if I have taken hand loan from someone, unsecured loan, say from Sarita, cash account debit to Sarita 30,000, this 30,000 is treated as my income, and equal to this penalty will be levied. 100% penalty will be levied. Okay. So these kind of transactions are not allowed. If you do, then equal to this amount penalty will be levied. Okay. Same way, when you repay the loan, okay, you have accepted it in cash above 20,000, 20,000 and above in cash, then it is taxable, and penalty will be levied equal to the amount of the loan. And 269T is repayment of the loan, or repayment of the deposit, or repayment of the advance for the immovable property 20,000 or more in cash, then again 100% of whatever you have repaid in cash will be taxable as income, and penalty will be levied under section 271E in the form of 100% of the loan repaid. Clear? Okay, how these limits are calculated in depth, I'll say with the example. But first, let us understand, what these sections are. So once again, you should not take in cash, loan or deposit from anyone above 20,000 in cash में नहीं लेना. You have to take it by account pay, check or cross check or bank transfers and RTGS, NIFT and all the electronic mode of payment. That is allowed. If you take loan or deposit above 20,000 in cash, equal to the loan and deposit. Suppose you have taken 30,000 in cash, 30,000 is taxable in the form of penalty under 271D, equal to the amount of loan. These are all the penalties levied by Joint Commissioner. 269T is if you repay, ma'am, while taking only you have taken it as taxable and penalty. But then while repaying, at least you can repay 30,000 loan if you have taken by check or RTGS or NIFT. If you have repaid also in cash, then 100% will be taxable as penalty in the form of section 271E, and this is 269T. So 269 SS is for accepting loan and deposit 20,000 and above in cash. 269T is repayment of loan and deposit 20,000 or above in cash. 269 SU, super duper important for MCQs. If the turnover or gross receipts of my business exceeds 50 crore in the PPY, it's PP is not Pani Puri, I always say this is preceding previous year. So in the last year, if the turnover exceeds 50 crores, it is mandatory to keep electronic mode of payment. You are having such a huge turnover of 50 crores and above in the last year, and you're not having that cards are not accepted. Sorry, this is not accepted. So you need to have all the electronic mode of payments. You need to accept from people the RTGS, check, and all the other modes. Okay. If they are not having electronic mode of payment, and if the business is having more than 50 crores turnover, then under section 271 DB, 5,000 rupees per day, the penalty is charged till you implement this. Clear? 269 SU says, if last year your turnover exceeds 50 crores, okay, then this year you should have electronic mode of payment. Okay, all facilities for electronic mode of payment, RTGS, NIFT and UPIs and all. Okay, otherwise 5,000 per day is penalty. And last one, which is like covering so many transactions, so many layman, they come into this if they don't know. 269 ST. You should not receive more than 2 lakh rupees or more in cash on a single day. I have sold you 10,000 rupees bill goods. 10,000 rupees you have purchased from me, 20 bills, है ना? On different dates. What while paying, you paid me all together. Are you getting? 10,000 K, 30 bills. Okay, I have sold you. So you have to give me 3 lakh. Now you are making me 3 lakh payment in a single day, above 2 lakhs, gone. 100% if I receive the amount, 2 lakhs and more. 2 lakhs and more. So 2 lakh is also taxable. For MCQ, they give 2 lakh also. So 2 lakh is also taxable. 100% 271 DMA penalty लगेगा if I accept it in a single day or single transaction. Say a single, for this example is clear. 10,000 rupees ke goods every time you come and take, and while making payment you're saying, sir, all the bills are different. So what? But in a single day you are paying me 3 lakh rupees, which is 2 lakh and more taxable. So if I receive, it will be treated as my income, and under 269 ST and 271 में DMA in the form of penalty, 100% this amount will be taxable. Or receiving amount of 2 lakh or more in cash for single transaction. For a single transaction also, I cannot receive 2 lakh at a time. Suppose 5 lakh rupees sale I have done, single transaction. Can you pay me 3 lakh and 2 lakh in cash? Both will be taxable for me. Single transaction above 2 lakh taxable. Multiple transactions, but in a single day, if I receive 2 lakh ke upar payment, taxable. Single transaction, if I receive on different dates also, but this is for one bill only, no? For one bill of 5 lakh, you are breaking me and paying me 5,000 cash. But one bill may you have paid me 5,000 above 2 lakh, no, taxable. Or for a single event. The best example of single event is like event managers. You are making me payment 50,000 for the stage decoration, 1 lakh for the catering, 50,000 for the special dessert counter, 30,000 for the return gifts. Like that, you are paying me for different transactions for different days. But this is all a single event, no? 25th anniversary. Got it? So like this, for some celebration function, when you pay for a single event, might be on different days. But for a single event, for a single transaction, or on a single day, if I accept more than 2 lakh rupees in cash, I'm caught up in 269 ST. Clear first the concept of all, and everywhere the penalty is equal to. In this way, you should cover the concept, you should cover the penalties, you should cover the case law based question. I'll come to that one case law which is asked already twice. Same question, that also I'll discuss it here. Okay. Once again, I want to repeat 269 SS, don't accept loan or deposit above 20,000. 269T, don't repay 20,000 or more in cash. 269 SU, turnover, okay, exceeding 50 crores hai, so you should have all the electronic payment facility. 269 ST, receiving amount of 2 lakhs or more in cash, single day, single transaction, single event. Now here, very beautiful point to be noted is 269 SS and 269T can be violated together. Is it right or not? Yes. If I accept 30,000 loan in cash, if I repay in cash, I have violated 269 SS and T. Remember, this is only one transaction. No, there are two. And twice this will be taxable. 271D की भी penalty लगेगी, 271E की भी लगेगी. But 269 SS and ST cannot be violated together, any one. For example, if I have taken 5 lakh loan in cash, now I have accepted payment above 2 lakh, I'm already covered in 269 ST. Then even if it is loan, again 269 SS will not be charged. I want to repeat. I have taken loan in cash 5 lakh rupees. Have I received above 2 lakh in cash? कोई भी reason से, sale के against or loan के against or anything. Have I received above 2 lakhs or 2 lakhs and above? 2 lakh भी taxable है. In cash, yes. 269 ST. Clear? I am covered up. Now can again repeatedly this same transaction be covered in 269 SS? Answer is no. You know, out of the way I am reminded. So you're clear, 269 SS and T both cannot be levied, but SS and ST, sorry, SS and T both can be levied. Lete vakt, dete vakt. But SS or ST, if I'm already covered in 269 ST, I have accepted 5 lakh in cash. Even if it is loan, 269 SS penalty won't be levied. So this is either, this is both, and you know, this reminds me of 271A and B penalty. I'm not teaching you penalty, I'm in this topic only. But very important is 271A penalty is when you don't maintain the books of accounts under section 44AA, you have to pay penalty, 25,000 and all, 271A. If you don't maintain the books of accounts, there's no question of getting it audited. The 271B penalty, 0.5% of turnover or 1,50,000. All that, no question of leaving. So this is also many times asked in exam. Pause this video, go and refer that penalty. So this is all the detail. If you want to note down, pause this video, take the table 1 and 2 point, and then again pause and third onwards. Third and fourth point here. Oh. And then note this also. Okay, now let me take some examples to make it more clear. Okay, 269 SS says we should not accept loan or deposit 20,000 and above in cash. Okay, so I accepted 18,000 loan in cash, 24th June. 269 SS not violated. 18 is still there and I accepted 5,000 more. 18 already I had taken in cash. If I take 5,000, this will be like 23,000 loan taken in cash, 271D levied, and full 23,000 will become taxable. 18,000 I took by check, no problem. But when I took 5,000 in cash, 18 and 5 together, it has exceeded 20,000. This is an exceptional case. Aram se dekho, listen to one point. When you take loan from someone to check that 20,000 limit, it's not, ma'am, loan is taken in cash only 5,000. But earlier loan amount is also considered for that as per the act. So earlier 18 and now this cash 5. This has become 23. Is my loan amount 20,000 and above? Have I taken cash 5,000? This cash 5,000 will become taxable. So whenever you take loan in cash, again you take loan, the earlier loan is also to be considered. If it exceeds 20,000 and any part also if you have taken in cash, that will become taxable. Okay, right. 18,000 loan you have taken in cash and repaid. Nothing violated. Again, same year, 8,000 you took and again you repaid. Not violated. Ma'am, 18 or 8 to 24 ho gaye. But anytime, first I took 18,000 in cash, then I repaid. Then I took 8,000 in cash. So anytime I'm not exceeding the 20,000 limit loan amount. So it is not taxable. Here also it is 20,000 and above. So even if you take 20,000 exact loan, 269 SS, you are caught up, 271D, you have to pay penalty. I hope these examples are all helpful to you. Suppose I have taken loan 18,000 in cash. Okay, so not violated. Then 9,000 in check. Now when I took 9,000 in check, my total amount has exceeded 20,000, but nowhere I have taken the loan in cash. Above 20,000 when it exceeded, that time I have taken in check. So 269 SS is not caught. Okay, right. Now 269T, repayment of the loan. Whenever you repay, the balance of loan is considered. Okay, so suppose I have taken 20,000 loan in cash. Already I was caught up in 269 SS. While repaying, I repaid 20,000 plus 12,000 interest, 32,000 in cash. 269T violated, 32,000 will become fully taxable. Now, 32,000 I have to repay you the loan plus interest. Now suppose I paid 16,000 in cash. Ma'am, only 16,000 is paid in cash, not 20,000 and above. Okay? But then when I paid 16,000, I repaid in cash. My loan amount was 20,000 and above, no? This 16,000 will become taxable. This is asked for 3 marks. पूरा इसका स्टोरी बना के नाम देख के केस स्टडी आई एम गिविंग इट इन ब्रीफ because my purpose today to be with all of you is to explain the concept. Pause the video and listen to the first half if you have a doubt. While repaying 32,000, when I repay, ma'am, it's just 16,000 repaid in cash, not 20,000. But the outstanding balance was above 20, no? 20 and above. And you repaid in cash, no? Taxable. Second is 16,000. Now you have repaid in cash, 269T violated. Now remaining 16,000, okay, in cash. When you pay, nothing is violated. Because second 16,000 when you paid, what was the balance? 16. And how much you paid in cash? 16. Okay. It's a challenge to put up all these examples. And more, if you have doubt, just comment below the video. We'll surely clear it. Watch all the revision videos, MCQ videos, your mock test videos from December 2020, I think, and 21, this June 22, and now December 22, all are there in the playlist of CMA Final Direct Taxation. So watch it once again. Yeah, some of you are confused, so once again. Okay. check this once. This is your material where all the details are given. 269 SS, no person shall take or accept any loan or deposit or sum from any other person except by account, pay, check or draft or electronic clearing system. If amount of loan or deposit on the date of accepting, you have to consider the earlier one also, which is unpaid. So together with the amount referred in two above. So whatever loan you have taken and the earlier loan, if it exceeds 20,000, you have to consider the earlier loan also. It will become taxable. This is not taxable if you receive the money from banks and government, and all those cases are theory. You can read. Penalty is levied. Same way, 269 SU says if your turnover exceeds 50 crores in the immediately preceding PPY, previous year, then you should have all the electronic mode of the payment. Otherwise, 5,000 per day, during which the failure continues. Okay. 269 ST is 2 lakh and above. If you receive, except by account, pay, check, draft, means if you receive in cash or if it is a bearer check from a single person or for a single transaction or for a single event, it will become taxable. Now here, this is also asked in exam, that in case of NBFCs, non-banking financial, because otherwise payment received from bank is exempt. But for NBFCs, which is not taken as a scheduled bank, you all know it. So the receipt of one installment of loan shall constitute single transaction. So every installment of loan, if it exceeds 2 lakh and if you have repaid the loan in cash, it will be taxable for the NBFC. You got it or not? For NBFC, single installment will be taken as single transaction. So if the single installment exceeds 2 lakh and if they have accepted cash for the repayment of the housing loan and all, it will become income of the NBFC. Okay, right. And this is not applicable when you take 2 lakh in cash from ATM and RBI. That exception you can read, it's all theory. 269 ST is repayment of the loan. Or advance or anything above 20,000, and you have to take aggregate of the advance. Aggregate of the advance you have to take, and even if the part of it you have repaid in cash, it will become taxable. Okay. So these are all the penalties related to it. Very nice questions are also there. So solve all the practical questions and score super duper marks in MCQs. All the best to all of you. Thank you so much for watching this till end. Bye-bye.